All right, I think we are on live right now. So, host Gayatri and Sweta, you can able to continue from now on.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Sajid. Good evening, guys. Good evening, YouTube. So, this is part 5 of our soft skill sessions. So, in the last session, we had a debate on a topic and it went well. And so, today we'll be practicing on our presentation skills, which will be very useful when we get into the real world jobs. And so, today will be, as I said, like today will be doing presentation so of our previously done projects. So we have been doing these reviews, but we have been explaining the projects in Tamil. But for this session we'll be doing the same thing but in English, completely in English, and we can learn how to like present ourselves and our project in a proper way. I hope I'm clear with the task thing. And so we'll be using our random generator app, the internship profiles, to generate random names for who they'll be presenting. So when I call out the name, please share your screen and you can go ahead and explain your project and make it very simple, guys, very short. We can take up to 3 minutes or 4 minutes maximum per person, and yeah, we can wind it up as soon as possible. Thank you. Am I clear? Do you have any doubts or anything else? Okay then.
Yes, Gayatri, you are clear.
Okay, so I'll be generating the names. The first person, Vijay, I don't is not here. Akalya, Muthu Akalya. Please share your screen and please explain us your project. What have you done? What is the use of the project and the features of it? How to use it?
Okay, guys. Is my screen visible, Gayatri?
Yes, Akalya, it's visible.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Can you be a bit louder, please?
Okay, Gayatri, is this okay now?
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay, Gayatri. Good evening, guys. I'm Muthu Agalya. This was my project. My client Anbu was running an hotel business. He wants to automate the process of table reservation form. So, as per his requirements, I have added an input fields, full name, phone number, and email address to collect the customer contact information. And I have also added the input fields to collect the table preference and number of guests. Also added a special input field to collect any special request. If when the client submits the form, when the client submits this form, it will validate the form and it will trigger an alert alert with the success message. If it doesn't pass the validation, then it will throw an error. If the client customer needs to cancel the table reservation, they can use this cancel button to cancel the table reservation. If they want to edit this information, means they need to cancel first. They need to cancel their table reservation, and need to fill they need to fill this form once again to make a reservation. Uh, yeah. If you guys are satisfied with this, I can move it forward to the client. Yeah, thank you. I'm done, Gayatri.
Okay, Akalya, thank you. So, guys, does anyone have any questions for Akalya?
All right, so what challenges did you face actually?
Uh, we need to explain this project to the client. The client only focuses on the UI design, so we need to explain this also.
Okay. Yeah. So in case you faced any major problems, yeah, this the concept is to actually explain to the client only. Since it is a question, we might
Yeah, okay.
casually answer the question. Like,
Okay. I thought
Think
you
like that,
need
sir. It
to
is
explain.
manager.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will explain.
you have done a great job. Very nice explanation. Okay, I'll generate the other name.
Thank you.
Jairoshini.
Yeah, Gayatri.
Jairoshini.
Oh, one second, Gayatri.
Okay, okay.
Gayatri, can you proceed forward? One second, there is an
Oh, okay, okay.
mistake in it.
Yeah, sure, sure, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, Sudarshan, are you there? No, he's not. Okay, the next one. Vasant Kumar. Kalyan. Isaki? Nope. Okay, Gayatri, I got my name, so I'll be sharing my screen right now, guys. Okay, give me 1 minute, please. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Gayatri.
Yes,
Yeah.
guide.
Okay, good evening. So, uh, like the project requirement, I have created a feedback form for your requirements for a 10th standard feedback form for the students. Since the classes went online this year, so we have created an online feedback form so that they can give their feedbacks on the subjects which are mentioned here. So in here there are input sessions of email, name and subject, and feedback and submit. That's it. So kids can be like very smart, right? So I have kept I have written the form in such a form that only these subjects can be selected in this input. And when you click enter, for example, let me just it won't take any subjects in here because you have to select here and you have to give your feedback and submit. And thank you for your feedback. So this feedback form is submitted. So as per the requirements, I have created a simple feedback form for the students. If in case they won't provide any input, the form won't be submitted. Okay, that's it about my project. This is the form. Was it not?
Yeah, nice one, guide.
So, okay, Kishore Kumar, are you there? Okay, Vijay. Dinesh?
Yes, Gayatri.
Yes, Dinesh, please share your screen and explain us your project.
One second.
Okay. Roshni,
My
can
screen is
you,
visible now.
yeah, visible, visible.
Yeah, good evening, all. Actually, this is a sign-up form task. This task is given by our mentor Anbu for for a task, form submission task. That's why I created this project. You can you can you, you can sign up your data using this project. For example, you can enter your name, first name, then last name, then email ID, then password, then date of birth, then gender, you can enter your input fields, then click on sign up button. You 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 get a alert message of you successfully sign up with our networks. You are getting alert this message, and then you can see your input data. As as you enter in input field, you can get the data below this format. If you want to delete this data, you can click the delete button. As you can get a alert of confirmation. Are you sure want to delete? If you click OK, you delete the data. And also I added a validations, JavaScript validations using Java validate.js. For example, I enter your first name. For example, this is my name. If you enter minimum two letter, you get a alert of the field must contain a minimum of 3 characters. So that's all right.
Nice, Dinesh. You have explained your project very well. Guys, anyone have any doubts or anything else to ask Dinesh? Okay.
Okay, thank you. Right.
Yeah, thank you, Dinesh. It's okay. Mushkil is not there. Okay. Surya?
Just a minute.
Yeah. Roshini, is the problem sorted?
Yeah, Gayatri. After Surya, I'll present it.
Okay.
Screen share பண்றேன். Screen தெரியுதா?
Yeah, Surya, your screen is visible.
Few days, one of my client was reached me via LinkedIn. I asked create a website for pizza shop. I asked that how is you want your website. He's just told just create a simple homepage and create a form to order pizza. I just come and give to the Figma design for sent to my client, and he's okay. He's okay with the design. Just created a simple pizza site. You need to fill that form. Just order, and if you want to cancel your order, edit, place new order. Just a simple website to order pizza. This is not a fully website. This is a trial to satisfy my client. And that's all. Any question?
Nice, Surya. Very nice project and very nice explanation. You kept it simple and good.
I faced a simple issue in that while deploying my project data. That time I'm told a new way to deploy our project to data. That way is GitHub workflow. You know the way I deployed that way, but my project didn't deployed in GitHub. I go and check them. my project didn't deploy. It shows me an error. It take 5 hours for me. I'm attempting more than 20 commits in GitHub. I can't resolve the issue. Finally, I shut down my laptop and go and eat my lunch in 5 p.m. After that, I'm coming and come to my laptop and check and search my issue into Google. And it shows me you need to, while you deployed your project in subfolder, you need to specify a path in GitHub Overflow on the in YML file. And go and check that. Finally, I resolved that issue.
Yeah, Surya, I think we were on the same boat, I guess. And you are the one who helped me with the deployment, Surya. Thank you very much.
Any question?
Thank you, Surya.
Thank you.
Yogaraj. Sorry, Roshini. Can you present now? After Roshini, Yogaraj, can you share your screen and present? Roshini?
Yeah. I'll present it.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, this is a project I've been working on. It's almost complete. I have to take it. Take the result in a UI. I got result in a console log, but I have to take it in a UI. That's the only step I have to. I'm behind, and it's we all trying to talk in English, right? So I thought of making a synonyms app. So here, if we write a word here, if we write a word humble here, and we click go, it will show synonyms of word humble here as an array. I have been working on this, so it will give what meaning for those word humble. So it's like a dictionary. I have used a dictionary API for this project. So this is the project I've been working on.
Great work, Roshini.
Yeah, that's her.
Any questions for Roshini?
Sorry, Gayatri.
I'm asking everyone else, do they have anything to say?
Sorry, Gayatri, what is it?
No, I was asking everyone, does everyone have anything to tell Roshini?
Any suggestions?
Yeah.
Uh,
So she,
but Roshini, I want to ask you something. What
Yeah,
challenges did you face actually to build this project?
I have been facing challenges, Sajid. I'm unable to what get exact synonyms for this. It's an array, right? But in a coding, I have to write like this. I have to loop things, but each word it differs. In that API, sometimes I have it near index meaning like 0, 1, right? No, when we go for those index, some indexes are empty in a synonym stack. So I have been looking for those, and for looping, I have been looking for the what
Yeah,
solutions to that looping. Yeah.
nice one.
That's the challenge I have been facing current now. So I'll solve it.
okay, Roshini, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Gayatri.
Next up, we have Yogaraj.
Yes, Gayatri. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Good evening, guys. As per the client request, I have created a webinar registration form. in this form, I use local storage for storing data, and by passing the data, I get it from the below table, which is created by a table row and table data. I added a validation for each input, like the name should be more than 2 letters. Like if I put single, sorry, if I put single name and then select, it will pass some error. Like error says you must have two, you must contain a minimum character of 2 letters. So I'll enter my name. Then it asks some valid email address, like it should contain a, like this. For this mobile number, I added a validation for it should it should contain 10 numbers. Okay, this is on a select tag. After submitting this form, I will get the data below the table by, actually the data is stored in the local storage. Then it will get passed, and again it is displayed in the table. Yes, that's all.
Okay, nice project, Surya. Very good explanation of your project.
Okay.
So, guys, anyone have anything else to ask?
Okay. Why have you done this project?
As per my client request, I have done this project for some webinar registration.
Okay, so what kind of webinar is that?
It's kind of a full stack web.
Hold on, my OBS is disconnecting. Hold on, just hold on. Someone please check whether in the YouTube is streaming properly.
சஜித் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி கொஞ்சம் லோவா கேட்டுச்சு உங்க வாய்ஸ் யூடியூப்ல.
இல்ல இப்போ கேக்குதா?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, right?
இப்போ ஓகே. இப்போ
Nice. Right then, okay.
Is that fine?
Yes, it's okay now. Connection is stable right now.
Guys, any questions you have?
So, who will be the host for this webinar, Yoga? Who will be coming?
Anu will be the host for this webinar. We'll talk about full stack engineering course.
Cool. Okay, Yoga, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we don't have Kishore Kumar. Kaja Sharif.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yes, Sharif. Please share your screen and explain.
Okay. I think my screen is visible.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's
Okay. I come up with a small finance tracker app which is used to split bills and calculate our simple bills like that. So at present 180 amount and Indian rupee. If daily I select Indian rupee. If anyone come with any USD, so they can euros, they can select using this tag, select tag. Then they can, if they want to split the amount, they can use to split like this. So currently I'm using my personal, so I kept 180 rupees split with one people, then calculate with euro, this one. Next one, title for ticket. I used to I am going to title it for train ticket for Chennai. Description is going to be description is going to be meet me Anbu at Avadi. Okay. Oh, I saved it, and it will be in previous statement and tab. If in case I need to add new transaction, then I can click add new transaction button. It will come up with this kind of form. Now I need to check the previous statement. Then I can go to this tab. Then I can visit my all previous statements. Though like that in future I can visit this kind of transaction. If I need to add new one, like 500 rupees, I am going to add now. I'm going to split with 4 people and calculate biryani at Barocha. I'm going to title it and mm, meet up with friends. I'm going to description is going to be meet up with friends and save the transaction. If it will be the first, the latest transaction will be at first, and if I need to now select the previous transaction, then I can click the delete button. Then it will show a pop-up message like, really, do you want to delete this transaction? If I suddenly accidentally sometimes delete the transaction, so I keep this alert. If I need to cancel now, it will don't delete it. Even though I refresh, it will don't delete. If I want to delete this transaction, then I can click the delete button. It will be deleted. Then this is the complete life cycle of this product. If you have any doubts in it,
Yeah, actually, I just got flattered with your the sliding thing. How did you do that?
yeah. When I got this solution from the Stack Overflow, it's a simple two-line code which is uh, they simply use on change event for this select tag. If I click this, it will be for I need to show the code.
No, 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 not that thing, Sharif. I
Mm,
mean the slide.
People slider 1
Yeah,
to
the
this
20.
deeper one
slider,
to 20. Yeah,
this slider,
yes.
this slider.
So
Ah,
when you sliding that the animation and the background filler, everything like
mm,
look like a wow factor. So how did you do that?
okay. There is a package log Daisy UI library. It's a plugin for Tailwind. If you import the plugin, we can use this kind of things like sliders and button will be like little bit of uh, s- transition or translate something will like hover like that. If I click 50 Indian rupee.
So I had this
uh,
question again, Sharif. So you have
okay.
more like a life cycle. How do you call the methods? So if someone comes, you have delete this and that, and how did
Mm,
you overcome that?
can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, the
I
thing
can't.
is, this even this small app is look like a very complex app, to be honest.
Okay.
So
Mm,
how did you overcome that? Because how did you make this component like, okay, if this person click calculate, so this should happen. So if
mm,
then we have to pop up a model. So even though
mm,
if they say press cancel, then they have to what do you call? It
mm,
should not delete, or otherwise, if you press delete, then it will delete. So how did you come up
okay.
with that? So it can be helpful to others also.
Oh, I mean idea or code.
Not the code. How did you get the
Uh,
idea? How to do that?
oh, okay, okay. Generally, I thought a lot of members are used to alert button.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, if like previously in our builds projects, lot of members some kind of using alert. So I tried instead of alerting, we can do something UI. So the user will be not just not like the alert. They can use visibly. They can know. So I come with those ideas.
Okay. Nice.
Are
Nice
you
one.
clear in that?
Yep. Because you have to be more precise to the user experience.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why you
That's
have done the models
mm,
and you have done this.
okay.
Nice one,
Mm,
Sharif.
mm, in this state, you are asking like that.
Yep.
Uh, so I really first worked in alert, and then I replaced the alert to UI
All right.
simply.
Have you ever
Mm.
sketched before you produce an output?
I tried like a wireframe. I tried wireframe in Sigma.
Mm-hmm.
Then I never sketched the design. Like for wireframe, I did in Sigma. Then I come up with the code.
Nice. Nice one. I love the design and the concept as well. Nice.
Yeah. Like these kind of animations, delete. There is a little bit of animation. So I come up with that plugin, Daisy UI. If you have time, check it out.
Oh, thank you very much, Sharif.
Mm. In that UI, I get this slider, but I need to lot of improvements in this also. Soon I will fix it. That's it, guys. Is there any doubts or anything, suggestions? Hello.
Uh,
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So,
Okay.
like, do do this color combinations and all? Like, you randomly put your favorite color, or do you have anything to choose colors also? Like this,
Uh, I just randomly pick these colors.
because your all your projects now, your colors are very subtle and it's
Uh,
very, yeah, modest. That's
I
why.
I keep the colors in between 400 to 600, less than below 600. I keep every colors in time.
Okay, Sharif, thank you.
Okay. Mm,
It's a very useful app. Thank you.
okay.
Okay, so how many are left? Wait, let me generate. Riaz?
Yeah, yes, Gayatri.
Yeah, hello Riaz. So please share your screen and present us your project.
Yeah, also. It's about, it's about. Am I audible?
Yeah, Riaz.
Yeah, yes. Good afternoon, team. Sorry, good evening, team. Yes, I recently completed my one of the tasks, GitHub profile API using GitHub API. I designed the API, design the UI like if anyone have intern name, you can search accordingly to repo name, or else you want directly through the intern's repository. Like okay, yes. If you want directly through the intern's repository, you can click the view full repository button. It will be navigate to the intern's repository name page, or else you can click the GitHub button. It will be navigate to the selected interns the GitHub page. The entire intern's name and repo the repository link I will grab by API GitHub API, and it will be shown in my UI. The above the search bar, you can directly directed through by intern's name, or else you can copy the intern name like this. If I copy Muthu Kumari Murthy and I paste it below the input bar, and if I click my search button, it will be navigate to another page like Muthu Kumari's GitHub page, but it could not work. Could not work. I will be fix this issue shortly. Yeah, yes, that's all.
Okay, Riaz. So so
mm,
this
yeah, I have a question for Yas, I guess.
okay,
What are
yes.
the challenges do you face while you creating this project?
Yeah, yes, Ajit. I faced entire code. I will faced many challenges, but I come up with each and every code, every line of code. I type step by step console log the every line and whether it's working or not. And I face little bit a problem in fetch. I think fetch API because I worked in two ways because of this search bar and below this interns repository. In search bar, it will be not shown I don't know the course which means this course error. I will be faced with this. issue. Many times I will be face this cause error in my this project.
Nice.
Okay, sure.
Sajid?
Yep. That's a good explanation, by the way. So, Gayatri, continue.
Yeah. So, what is
So
the main feature of the this project, particular project? Because since we already have Git, we can directly go to Git, right?
Yeah, yes, yes. Because of Anbu assigned this project to everyone, so I completed this project. But I have introduced you on future like the search bar, but it should not work. I will fix this issue Monday or this end of the day. I will be fix this issue.
Okay, Ria. So, just for easy access for our interns, particular interns, CyberDude
Yeah,
interns.
yes. If you want a particular intern's name, you can click their direct view all repository, or else the 70 interns name you can type the search bar and click the search icon. It will be directly through the interns page, interns repository page. So this feature I will be introducing in this project, but unfortunately it could not didn't work
Yeah, yeah, sure, yes.
because of API course error. I will be fixing this issue in this video end of the day.
Yeah, okay, yes, thank you.
Yeah, yes,
Thank you
thank
for
you.
the explanation. Yeah.
So Riaz, you have done this presentation very well. So my question is, what was the requirement which your client, I mean, Anbu said? Can
Yeah,
we
yes, Anbu.
give points in this?
Yes, Anbu said that I don't know Sweta, like this, like you tell this client server this type of languages. I don't know. I just Anbu said this project to everyone to complete a project, and I will be completed this project.
Yeah, yes. So the client was Anbu, right?
Yeah, okay, okay.
So you
So the
have to
Anbu's client.
indicate what are the points Anbu has said to do this project. So that is the requirements about client.
Okay, you said Anbu's client.
Yeah, Anbu is the client, right? So
Okay,
the
Anbu's the client. He will be assigned a project to
yeah.
complete this one.
So to do this project, he has given some requirement, right? So the project has to be listed. So like, what are the points you have told?
Yes, I see like. Different futures. Maybe in future I will be different future. I will be work on that project, and I will like submit it to Anbu to see the project.
Okay, yes, go
Future
ahead.
I will be added different futures.
Yeah, sure. Next,
Because of my personal issues, personal problems with my machine is my laptop is 2 days before it will be free, so I can service it 2 days before, but still did not repair correctly. So I worked in that my friend's local machine, so I could not able to completed Anbu's requirement. If I have my own machine, I have completed the Anbu's requirement shortly.
I hope you get your
yeah,
system as
yes, it was a nice explanation. By the way, your whatever the issue you have faced, that's like never affected the project you have done. Did a very good job. Actually.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Congrats.
guys.
Thank you, Riaz. It was a good explanation of your project. So next up we have Shweta Ramesh.
Yeah, correct. So good evening, guys. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, Shweta.
Okay. So the client side requirement is to build a Tailwind CSS landing page. So for that, I have created some navigation like home, about, configuration, instructor, tutorials, projects, and contacts. So I have mentioned a little bit about what is Tailwind CSS, followed by it the notes about Tailwind CSS, and the features, what are the features we have inside the Tailwind CSS. Followed by that, I have mentioned what are the configuration and requirements to start a Tailwind project. So here I have mentioned what are the requirements you have to be covered before you starting the configuration. And here I have mentioned what are the installation steps and what are the configuration procedure to be handled. Followed by that, I have mentioned what are the details about the instructor. Here I have mentioned about Anbu Selvan, he is our instructor, and small intro about him. So followed by that, I have mentioned some of the Tailwind CSS videos, which helps to learn. So followed by that, I have mentioned some project. What are the projects we have done using Tailwind CSS? We can click this button to view the live view also. So like this I have done. So followed by this, to end this project, I have mentioned like you can also give a project link here to review, and if you have any suggestion you can pin it up here also. So I have given both, to update the project link and to note the suggestion also. So that's my project. I have covered responsive also. So yeah.
Nice UI, Shweta. So I
Yeah,
have a question. So you have like used configuration. So what is configurations actually?
it's the setup, the mandatory fields to be set up before using the Tailwind CSS package.
So since I guess we have already have a landing page for Tailwind CSS, right?
Yes, we have a landing page, but the client requirement is to have to do a separate landing page, which
Mhm.
will which will help the newbies to know fully about the Tailwind CSS, particularly the Tailwind CSS.
So for easier understanding, you have created another landing page for
Yeah,
beginners.
exactly.
Okay.
Sweta,
Yeah, Sajid.
what challenges did you face while you creating this project?
So not like much of sad challenges. I have faced little bit of challenging while making this project as a responsive, but so I have used many kind of animations right here and all. So when it comes to responsive, it was a little bit tough in make it responsive. So yeah, that's the part.
Okay, nice.
Okay, sure thing. Thank you. You have done a really great job for presentation.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you guys.
Sweetie, Basin Sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, Sweetie, you're audible.
Okay. So this is my project. So my client, what's my client's requirement is, they have a company where people can buy, sell, as well as rent the properties. So they asked me to build a UI for their website. So I have created a UI. So I have given many options over there. And the idea is that if you search something here, then it will be appearing over here. And if you want any filters, if you want to filter any of this, then you have filter options over here. And we also have something for some, uh, we are also available over here. We are showing some links over here. And if they want to post a property, then you can post
those things. And here we'll be giving something for some people will be promoting their properties for selling, so we'll be giving space for them. And this is a UI. If you want to get any bonus detail, you can get from here, and this is a UI.
Yeah, sweetie. By the way, that's very good UI from my perspective, because yeah, it's not a normal UI, to be honest. It's a complex UI. Have you sketched before you develop the front end?
Just paper and pen. I didn't use Figma.
Yes, paper and yeah, paper and pen, right?
Yeah.
Nice, nice one.
Okay, sweetie, thank you. You have a fantastic event. Thank you for explaining your project. I guess how many are left out? Yet to do, yet to present. Okay, Sajid, please present. You're the only person.
All right. So I think I haven't readied with my presentation, so it should be the interns project or any other projects. I'm having that confusion right now. That's why.
Okay.
Is that could be the
Sorry,
interns?
Sajid, can
No,
you
is that could
repeat?
be the interns project or the any project that I have built.
Any project, Sajid.
Anything.
All right.
You just have to explain the requirement and what are the justice you have done to the project. That's it.
All right. Hold on. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, Sajid.
Yes, Sajid.
Okay. So I'm going to show you my the project that I was been working on. It's called Codecraft, right? Wait, hold on. Okay, this is the repository for the project that I have been working on when I moved to the front end. So this is a very basic project, but it has so much value for me. So it's like a documentation. So to those who want to learn a programming language, they can come here and they can take a good reference that filtered out by me and my one of my friend. So we both created this, the actual repository. His name was Sajid and my name is also Sajid. So we both create this repository when I don't have any programming language at the time. So let's make our hand dirty, and we have to create a documentation which should helpful to us and also to the others. That was my motive to create this project. And so if you ask, like when I see the Gayatri's I mean the messages to why have you done this project, so I can answer to this question. Actually, um, why have I done this project is because I want to learn. To learn, we have to teach someone else. So what did I do? I have created a repository and I have written every single thing that going through my mind. Regarding to the technology, and I have pasted here. So whenever I wanted to reference at something, then I can go fast to my repo and I can able to get the information that I want, right? Yeah, obviously you can ask, like internet can able to give you all the information instantly, but why? Uh, but I thought that internet will give you more information, and you to select the information you will spend more time, right? So to reduce that time, I have some sets of what do you call the references in my repository, so I can able to reference much faster. So I can cut out that time. And how to use it? Like yeah, to use it, you can able to go to my GitHub and you can. This is a public repository, and I have the MIT license. Anyone can contribute. Anyone, and we have the contribution guide, so they can able to read this and they can able to uh, contribute their programming references and their project references to this repository, right? So what challenges did you face? To be honest, when I when I deployed this project, I had only 0% of programming knowledge. Even though I had the doubt of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I didn't do anything. But all I know, Markdown and Git. So I was practicing myself, right? So since this is my repository, I can do whatever I want. So what did I do is I practiced my Git, how to PR, how to pull, how to rebase, and how to, I mean, to every single concepts of Git, I practiced from my own repository. So uh, that's the challenge, because since I don't have any background knowledge when I created this repository, so I had to learn to do certain things. So keep learning to do the certain things. So I just rinse and repeat until made this Codecraft the repository on Dev2. Dev2 means it's a forum, developer forum, and some of the admins have been promoting that, okay, this person is actually doing a nice job there. So why can't you contribute? What do you call? What do you call? Contribute some technologies there. So it could helpful to the beginners who are into the technology and programming world. So any question or suggestions? Welcome.
Nice work, Sajid.
Thank you, Shari.
Yes.
Yeah, Sajid. So this particular repository, what are the languages it covers?
Yeah, actually it's HTML, CSS, and Python. Python is actually contributing by my friend Sajid, and rightly I'm contributing JavaScript, and hopefully I will provide all the resources that I need to access, right, without going to Google and we have to type from first and we have to check everything. So I don't want to waste time like that. So I have already sets of repositories and I have sets of lists, so I can able to access easily and much faster. Is that okay?
Yeah, Sajid. This is a great repo. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
So, guys, I guess everyone has done presenting their projects. So up next, Shweta will take over this session. Shweta Ramesh.
Yeah, Gayatri, thank you. So, guys, I was planning a game. So, it's basically a word building game. So, for that, we have to split ourselves for two teams. So, anyone interested in leading? Two members. Anyone? So, shall I pick randomly?
Yeah, Shweta.
So,
Yes,
yeah.
go ahead.
Dinesh, you can do because I don't see much interaction from yourself.
Actually, I don't get what you saying. Oh,
So,
can you explain once?
yeah, we are going to play a game. It's a word building game. I'll
Okay.
explain the game rules and regulation later. So, I was asking about any two leads to lead a team. So, you are in. Can you lead a team? Are you interested?
Actually, still now I don't get it. Sorry.
So நம்ம ஒரு வேர்ட் கேம் விளையாட போறோம் லைக் வேர்ட் பில்டிங் கேம்
Okay.
ஸோ ரெண்டு டீமா நம்ம ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றோம் நீங்க ஒரு டீமுக்கு லீடா இருக்கீங்களான்னு கேட்குறேன்
Okay, sir.
யா ஓகே ஃபைன் குட்
Yeah.
ஸோ எனி அதர் பர்சன் லைக் ரியாஸ் கேன் யூ ட்ரை ரியாஸ்
Shweta? Shweta? Yes.
நீங்க ஒரு டீமுக்கு லீடா இருக்கீங்களா
அந்த கேம் மட்டும் சொல்லுவீங்களா அது என்ன கேம்
I'll explain just
சரி ஓகே இருக்கு
okay cool then so Riaz will be the lead for one team A maybe so Dinesh will be team B you guys can come out with any team names also so basically it's a word building game okay va so என்னன்னா Like we are 14. How many? How many count we are?
13, I guess. Yeah. No,
13,
12. We are 12.
12. Okay, cool then. So we are 6 and 6. So Riaz, you can choose any of 6 members, and Dinesh, you
No, we
can.
are 11.
11,
Yeah. 11 people.
cool then. Then நான் வந்து வாட்சர் ஆயிடுறேன். நான் ஒரு ஆடியன்ஸ் ஆயிடுறேன். ஓகே ஸோ
ஓகே.
ஒரு 5 minutes
தினேஷ் 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 அவங்க செலக்ட் பண்ணட்டும். அவங்க இருந்தது போக எல்லாம் என்னோட டீம் மாதிரி இருக்கு.
cool then. ஓகே தினேஷ் நீங்க ஒரு 5 மெம்பர்ஸை சூஸ் பண்ணி சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போடுங்க. அண்ட் ரியாஸ் ஆஃப்டர் தட் ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள்ஸ் யார் இருக்காங்களோ நீங்க சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டுருங்க. ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே.
ஓகே. ஸோ கேம் என்னன்னா ரியாஸ் டீம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 5 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்களா, அந்த 5 மெம்பர்ஸும் ஒரு லெட்டர் லைக் ஒரு ஆல்பபெட்ஸ் லெட்டர் வந்து சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போடணும். ஓகே. ஸோ அதை ஸோ ரியாஸோட டீம் வந்து சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டாங்கன்னா தினேஷோட டீமுக்கு 5 மினிட்ஸ் டைம் கிடைக்கும். அந்த 5 மினிட்ஸ் டைம்ல எவ்வளோ வேர்ட்ஸ் நீங்க அந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் பில்ட் பண்றீங்களோ அவ்வளோ வேர்ட்ஸ் நீங்க ரைட் பண்ணி இல்லைன்னா நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கணும். லைக் எல்லா பர்சனும் பண்ணணும். Understood, guys? Word building game விளையாடிப்போம்ல அந்த மாதிரி தான்.
Sweta, if you don't mind, could you please repeat one more time?
Yeah, sure. So, ரியாஸ் வந்து ஒரு டீம்ல இருக்காங்க. ஸோ ரியாஸோட டீம் வந்து 5 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த 5 மெம்பர்ஸும் ஒரு ஆல்பபெட் சொல்லுவாங்க. லைக் ஏ பி சி லைக் 5 எனி ஆல்பபெட்ஸ் 5 ஆல்பபெட்ஸ் அவங்க வந்து சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போடுவாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ தினேஷ் டீம்ல இருக்க மெம்பர்ஸ் லைக் டீம் பில இருக்கவங்க அந்த 5 லெட்டர்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி 5 மினிட்ஸ்க்குள்ள எவ்வளோ வேர்ட் பில்ட் பண்ண முடியுமோ அவங்க நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். அந்த வேர்டை அந்த லெட்டரை யூஸ் பண்ணி அந்த ஆல்பபெட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க வேர்ட் பில்ட் பண்ணி நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? டில் 5 மினிட்ஸ் டைம்.
ஓகே. பட் அது வந்து நம்ம இப்போ பில்ட் பண்ணி வைக்கலாம். பட் can we get assist from anywhere or we have to think from our mind?
If you try it on your own, it will be very useful for yourself. But முடியலனா you can search also.
Because we can able to use ChatGPT, so simply
you can use that, but it is see like நான் எல்லாமே நம்மளோட யூஸ்ஃபுல்காக தான் இந்த கேம் கொண்டு வரது. லைக் ஸோ யாருமே உங்களை வந்து நோட்டீஸ் பண்ண போறது இல்லை. ஸோ be justice for yourself, right?
Okay, justifying ourselves.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, that's it. Nice.
ஸோ புரிஞ்சுதுல. ஸோ இந்த 5 மினிட்ஸ் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் தினேஷோட டீம் வந்து 5 லெட்டர்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க அண்ட் ரியாஸோட டீம் வந்து வேர்ட் பில்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஃபைனலி 2 டீமும் எவ்வளோ வேர்ட்ஸ் பில்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கான்னு சொல்லி நம்ம வந்து செக் பண்ணுவோம். யார் மேக்ஸிமம் வேர்ட் கலெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ தே வில் பி த வின்னர். அண்ட் ரிப்பீட்டட் வேர்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் அது வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணப்படும். ஓகேவா? கூல். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? எனி டவுட்ஸ்?
3 மினிட்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாமா? 5 மினிட்ஸ் ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கு. டக்கு முடியும்.
ஓகே, கூல் தென். 3 மினிட்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாமா? தம்ஸ் அப் தவிர யாராவது ஓகே சொல்லுங்க. கொஞ்சம் ஆறுதலா இவ்வளவு நேரம் பேசியிருக்கேன்.
Okay, Shweta.
Okay, Shweta.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. So okay, let me start the timer. So who are the Riya's team? Potacha chat. So Dinesh team will be Sharif, Yogaraj, Sajid, Surya and Akalya. So Riyas, உங்க டீம் மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போடுங்க. ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த மெம்பர்ஸ்
அந்த டைப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. நீங்க கிடையாதாங்க ஸ்வேதா?
இல்ல, ஆக்சுவலி பார்ட்னர் இல்லையா, சோ டிபேட் பண்ண முடியாது ஈக்குவலா.
அவங்க டீம் போக 3 பேர் தான் இருக்காங்களா? காயத்ரி, ரோஷினி, ஸ்வீட்டி மட்டும் தான் இருக்காங்களா?
Yeah, Dinesh, including you, 4 people you have to select. You have to select only 4.
Okay.
So only 4 people தான் இருக்காங்களா?
இல்ல. Okay, Akalya, Riya's team.
தினேஷ் டீம்ல இருக்காங்க அக்காலியா?
No, now we are equal, 5. 5 Riya's team, 5 Dinesh team.
But Dinesh teamல 6 members வராங்க இல்லையா?
இல்ல கீழே இன்னொரு chat has been.
Yeah, cool. Okay, cool then. So Dinesh team, உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டீம் நேம் கொடுக்குறீங்களா?
இல்ல ரேண்டமா டீம் ஏ டீம் பி னு வெச்சுக்கோ.
Okay, so Dinesh will be the team A and Riyas will be the team B. Okay. So Dinesh team Sharif, Yogaraj, Sajid and Surya. நீங்க உங்க alphabets வந்து chat boxல போடலாம். Any one alphabets. So Sharif first, Yogaraj, Sajid and Surya. Come on guys.
Okay. One person should put one alphabet.
Yeah, only one alphabet.
5 alphabets.
Okay. One alphabet.
Our group ku total 5.
Yeah, group ku 5. So yes, Y, Z. So yeah, can you change the okay Q? So alphabets are S, Y, Z, W and Q.
So now
ஒன்னொன்னுலயும் எத்தனை ஸ்வேதா எழுதணும்?
எத்தனை ஒன்னாலும் டைம் முடிகிற வரைக்கும், டைமர் ஆஃப் பண்ற வரைக்கும் ஒரு சவுண்ட்.
Okay.
So then, so I am starting the timer guys. Team B ready to go. Meaningful word guys. I forgot to say meaningful words. So team B, anything to distract them? We practice. Guys, silent இருக்கீங்களே, கேம் தான்.
சவுண்ட் போர்ட் போடுவா, டிஸ்கார்ட் சவுண்ட் போர்ட்ஸ் போடலாமா?
Theme song Sajid.
Okay. Yeah, I thought to put, but it will distract now.
பாத்துக்குங்க.
YouTubeல அங்கு வந்து பார்த்தாருன்னா
Those sound boards are very strange.
அடிச்சே சாகடிச்சிருவாருங்க. ஓகே, வேணாம்.
காயத்ரி, நீங்க நம்ம டீம் தானே, நீங்க எதுக்கு போட்டிருக்கீங்க எக்ஸ்?
இப்பவே போடணும்னு நினைச்சேன்.
சரி. டைம் போகுதுப்பா, எழுது கேப்டன்.
ஆன் சூர்யா டிஸ்ட்ராக்ட்.
எழுது
சூர்யா எங்கேயும் போகலையா? இங்க ஒர்க் பண்ண போகலையா? ப்ரொஜெக்ட் ஒன்று பில்ட் பண்ணலையா?
இல்ல.
Gayatri, where's your cat?
Yeah, they're sleeping.
Roshni, how are you da? Had your lunch?
Yeah, சாப்பிட்டேன் ஸ்வேதா.
ரியாஸ், ரொனால்டோ பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்களேன், கேட்கலாம்.
Sweetie searching from the book.
இல்ல, ஸ்வீட்டி வந்து சைலண்ட் டேக்கரை பார்த்தா
அவன் டிக்ஷனரியில இருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க நினைக்கிறேன்.
டிக்ஷனரி பரவாயில்லையா, டைம் போகும். ஆனா என்ன சார் ஏஐ மூலமா எடுக்கிறாங்களோ? ஸ்வீட்டி
cheaters will do that.
சேச்சா, இன்னும் ஐடியா இல்லை. நீங்க சொன்னீங்க இல்லை, ஐ நீட் செக் பண்றேன்.
Gayatri, what was the cat doing?
Cats, huh? They're sleeping.
Come on, team B. டீம் ஏ டிஸ்ட்ரக்ட் டீம் பி வர போறாங்க. ஸோ யா கைஸ் டைம் அப். ஸோ எல்லாம் சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டாலும் சரி, பிக்சர்ஸ் வாட் எவர். காயத்ரி, ரோஷினி, ஸ்வீட்டி அண்ட் ரியாஸ் உங்களோட வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து போடலாம்.
we have to type again. Picture போட முடியுமா?
பிக்சர் போட முடியாது. you have to send in WhatsApp.
அகல்யா இது வந்து டீம் பி ல. அகல்யா டீம் பி தானே இல்லையா?
நம்மளோட டீம் தான், ரியாஸ் டீம்.
டீம்
ஏ அகல்யா.
அகல்யா ரெண்டு டீம்லயுமே எடுத்து வச்சிருக்காங்க. இல்ல
எல்லாருமே உங்க டீமுக்கு வேணுமா?
இப்போ ரியாஸ் டீம் தானே நானு.
இல்ல அகல்யா வந்து எங்க டீம், நான் எடுத்துட்டேன் அவங்கள.
ரியாஸ் டீம் வந்து. ஓகே கூல் தென் கரெக்ட்டா தான்.
ஓகே.
So anyone want to count? Opposite
எங்க போட்டோ எப்படி சென்ட் பண்றது?
இல்ல போட்டோ
WhatsApp தானா?
So not allowed Riyas. Can you please type because count பண்றதுக்கு difficult-ஆ இருக்கு.
நான் கான் டைப் பண்ணுங்க.
So guys from team A இத Excel ல போட்டு கூட நீங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணலாம். பட் எப்படியாவது கவுண்ட் பண்ணி duplicates remove பண்ணிட்டு so கவுண்ட் சொல்லுங்க.
Sweta, Gayatri and Sweta and Gayatri, shall we have a twist here? Just a suggestion now. So the twist is they have to describe the word they have provided here. I mean, like the meaning of the word.
Yes, sounds fun.
Yeah, sure, it will be fine. So each person from the team need to take a name and count it out. So like from Dinesh team, Sharif, count Roshni's answers and Yogaraj the next person who's Sweetie's count, followed by that the same thing. எல்லாம் அவங்க next personோட நேம் படி கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க.
I think Dinesh has done. Something here. Okay.
I think total is 29 websites available.
So 29.
நான் டைப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேங்க சிம்பிள்.
Yeah, sure. So repeated words remove பண்ணிட்டீங்களா இல்ல just like that count பண்ணீங்களா Dinesh?
Sweta.
After remove the duplicate.
Yeah, Sweetie.
If you said this yesterday, Sajid would have created an app for removing duplicates.
That no, for that purpose only I have told now. I know he's a manual bot. So yeah, Dinesh, sorry to interrupt. What you, so you have removed the repeated names, right?
Yeah, right.
So okay. So Dinesh team, so Yogaraj மறுபடியும் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Okay.
Dinesh, so the count is includes all of the members, right? Or individually you count?
Using ChatGPT, not manually count.
Great. So 21. So Dinesh team count will be 29. Okay. So next, Riya's team, are you ready, guys?
ரெடி ஸ்வேதா. இது பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? கவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Yeah, 29 as Dinesh said. அவங்க ChatGPT. Yeah, repeated words la remove பண்ணிட்டு he has used ChatGPT to count. So he is the so அவங்க கொடுத்த கவுண்ட் கொடுத்தாச்சு.
இப்போ நான் கொஞ்சம் போட்டுருந்தேனே, அதையும் சேர்த்து தானா?
ஆமா தினேஷ்
இல்ல
நீங்க அதை கால்குலேட்
இல்ல
பண்ணீங்கல்ல?
லாஸ்ட் தான் காயத்ரி ரியாசன் போட்டிருக்காங்க.
Dinesh, can you redo that one?
Okay, on.
Yeah, please. So in the meanwhile, Dinesh team, நீங்க உங்க alphabets யோசிச்சு வச்சுக்கோங்க to trigger Riya's. So அக்கல்யா அது ரைட், ஐ மீன் ரியாஸ் டீம் வந்து இப்போ alphabet சொல்லணும்ல?
ஆமா, நாங்க தான் சொல்லணும்.
Okay, sorry. So Riya's team, please be ready with the alphabets. கஷ்டமா நிறைய ரெடி பண்ண English alphabets, guys.
ChatGPT tunai, don't worry.
Sajid, living with the ChatGPT.
நாங்க மேனுவலாவே பண்ணோம்.
Just a conversation, boy. I don't rely on ChatGPT yet.
His brain has ChatGPT.
Doing all those stuff and all, and just denying that I'm not using the ChatGPT and all.
Okay, whatever it is. No issues.
So Dinesh team, you have 46. Okay, no cheating la Dinesh. Correct ah irukolla, na apparama enni pappen.
I think it's correct, but not sure.
I think ChatGPT போட்டு இருக்கும்ல, like ChatGPT and sometimes can make mistakes, isn't it?
Riya's team ku favor la பண்ணல. Riya's GP எல்லாம் பண்ணீங்கல?
ஏங்க எனக்கு எதுக்கு இந்த ஃபேவர் பண்ண போறாங்க?
But missing not lying na.
Cool then. So Riya's team, ready with the alphabets?
ரெடிங்க. டீம் ரெடி தானே?
Yes.
அதெல்லாம் போட்டுருவாங்க.
So yeah, Gayatri, Roshni, Sweetie, Riyas and Akalya. Shoot the alphabets.
XX.
XI. Gayatri, redo the
XX 2 times இருக்குல்ல?
Yeah, X. Gayatri, can you change your letter?
Yeah.
சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடுவோம்.
I இருக்கா?
X, I and O and U and F, I think. Here you go. So timer started. So Dinesh team, start பண்ணலாம். Riya's team, come on, பண்ணுங்க, உங்க வேலையை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Distract.
ஏதாச்சும் அவங்களை டிஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிருங்க, எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியல.
இன்னே சைலண்ட் ஆயிட்டீங்க. ரோஷினி, உங்களை எவ்வளவு கேள்வி கேட்டாங்க. காயத்ரி.
Yeah, Sajid. How was solo leveling, by the way?
So far so good, but I'm waiting for the upcoming episode, guys.
சூர்யா லைட் இருக்கா இப்போ?
லைட்ரா?
லைட்.
ஓ.
Yogesh,
Can
Yes.
you send
Google
that?
படிக்கிறீங்களா?
No. Typing in Obsidian.
யாரோ ரொம்ப டைப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
ஆமா, சவுண்ட்
கீபோர்ட் டைப் பண்றாங்க.
Yogesh, it's Yogesh.
காப்பி தான் அடிக்கிறாங்க.
காப்பி பேஸ்ட்க்கு எதுக்கு டைப்பிங் சவுண்ட்ல வருது?
You need to disturb Kaja Sharif.
Yeah, Sharif dangerous actually in yes.
அவரை டார்கெட் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும்.
அவர் டெஃப் மோட்ல போட்டுருப்பாரு.
Ready for the rest.
And also interact in the team.
Sweta, it can be object, verb, anything it can be, right?
Yeah, anything.
என்ன வேணா எழுதலாங்க. நான் ஜாம்பின்லாம் எழுதியிருந்தேங்க, எழுதுங்க.
At least leave the bad words.
No, no, not like that.
அவங்க எடுத்துட்டாங்க. ChatGPT வந்து எடுத்துட்டாங்க. நேரம் எடுத்திருப்பாங்க.
ஜஸ்டிஸ்
நாளுக்கு 50 வார்த்தை கொண்டு வருவாங்க.
சஜித் அமைதியா இருக்கும்போதே தெரியலையா?
அவர் 100 கொண்டுட்டு வருவாரு. இந்த கீபோர்டு தட்டுற சவுண்ட் எங்க வந்து கேக்கு.
சஜித், are you there?
30 seconds more, guys.
Hi, I'm here.
எடுத்துட்டாங்க. 30 seconds வந்தா என்ன, அவங்க எடுத்தாங்க. அந்த
தெரிஞ்சு இப்ப
டைம்
print
சும்மா
எந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல சென்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு ஐ திங்க் சஜித் will be thinking.
அரேவா ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டா?
Array of object கேளுங்க.
வேலிடேஷன் பண்ணலாமா?
ஓகே. பண்ணுவோம்
Yeah,
பண்ணுவோம்.
time up guys. 3 minutes over. So போடுங்க.
Done.
நினைச்சீங்க.
ChatGPT.
Dinesh, ChatGPT you should use to count, no?
Okay, yeah, I'm going to send
Surya, Rajat, yeah, Yogaraj. Screen. So any other person from Riya's team can count.
நான் தினேஷோடது நான் கவுண்ட் பண்றேன்.
இல்ல மொத்தமா கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லிடுங்க. ஏன்னா இண்டிவிஜுவலா பண்ணா ரிப்பீட்டேஷன் தெரியாது. Any person take the responsibility and count. You can use like ChatGPT like Dinesh. Dinesh
இல்ல நான் கவுண்ட் பண்ணல. நான் பண்ணா கண்டிப்பா கம்மியா தான் சொல்லுவேன். வேற ஏதாச்சும் பண்ணுங்க.
Sajid, you can do.
பட் என்னன்னா லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல தான் இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ
Oh yeah, okay.
காயத்ரி அப்புறம் நீங்க தான் ஆம்பையர். கரெக்டா நீங்களே பார்த்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah, both the count once. Shweta, judge.
Count பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. நான் அனௌன்ஸ்மென்ட் நான் பண்றேன்.
Shweta.
Yeah, sweetie.
Total 132 words.
Live and see the comments.
Sorry, sweetie.
Can you please go and see the YouTube comments?
Yeah, sure.
வந்திருக்கா?
So meanwhile guys, கொஞ்சம் கவுண்ட் மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க. நான்
I have counted and மெசேஜ்ல போட்டிருக்கேன். 132 words.
132. 132. Wow.
கேக்கலாம் எடுத்துட்டீங்களா ரோஷினி? 32 இருக்க போகுது.
No. The same like Dinesh ChatGPT ல கொடுத்தா போட்டு eliminating duplicate words.
Okay.
அவங்க டிக்ஷனரியவே எடுத்து அப்படியே போட்டு வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Guys,
அதான்
first we need to respond to this YouTube comments.
Yeah, let me open this first. I have very bad network issue.
Yeah, Grutex, we can actually stream it in Discord, but we want to have a recording of the sessions, live sessions we do. That's why it is streamed in YouTube every time. We really we don't always miss seeing these YouTube comments and all, but even in the morning session we didn't have anyone, so it just skipped out of our mind. That's it. No offense. I apologize. So instead of Gmeet, we should have, come together in Discord. Sajid, this is tech related, Sajid, please.
Yeah, but Groot, the main thing is since we are live streaming this, so we can able to come and check, right? So to any time as a, we can take it as a reference, but in Discord we don't think so, because once we go live and it will be fade away then and there. So that's why we have to go through the live so we can able to access anywhere, anytime. So it's easy for us. And thanks for suggestions. By the way, you can still ask Anbu. அவர் சொல்தான் கடைசி வேத வார்த்தை தானே?
Okay. So what were we doing?
So sorry guys, still the YouTube page is loading for me. Have you answered the YouTube comments question, guys?
We have answered them.
Yeah, sorry, YouTubers. Yeah, thanks, guys. So, yeah, so Dinesh team, what was your count, by the way? Right. Oh, 46. And Riya's team, you have done 132, right?
No.
இல்ல தினேஷ் தான் 132, நாங்க தான் 46.
Dinesh ChatGPT, that's cancelled.
Yes.
So minus 100, I think so. Can you cut off your points for using ChatGPT? So yeah, guys. So the main purpose of doing this game is to, to think creative and to improve your like word building skills, like sentence making or word building skills. So I think it was fun actually. So the real winners are Riya's team, but with the users of ChatGPT, Dinesh teams wins. So yeah, good work, guys. Both teams did a very good job. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, by
Thanks
the
for
way, Sweta, I have one conclusion to make, because you said, right, you have to think creatively. So Dinesh is actually thinking creatively. So he has hibernated his brain, and instead he has used ChatGPT. That's a fair option, dude.
Yeah, that's a fair option, but I have already mentioned the disclaimer. No, use your brain. Do justice.
அவங்க ஸ்டார்டிங்ல சொல்லல, சொன்னாங்கல்ல அதை யூஸ் பண்ண கூடாதுன்னு.
No, not like that. She said you have to be justify yourself, right? You can use it, but you have to be justify, right? It should அந்த குற்றம் வச்சு குடுகுருன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, சோ அதே மாதிரி தான்.
சரி, அப்போ திரும்ப கோட்டலாம் நீங்க பஸ்ல இருந்து போட்டுக்கலாம்.
Okay, so next section I will be planning without using ChatGPT games. Okay.
How many? Only 4 sections, I guess.
Yeah, I think so. So guys, thanks for the cooperation. Really, I am out of ideas to do this game and all. So if you guys have any idea like related to soft skills, please reach us, like Gayatri or myself or even Anbu, so that we can have next section more interactive and fun. So yeah, guys, over to you, Gayatri. You can sum up.
Okay. So this was part 5 of soft skill session, in which we did a presentation of one of our projects, and later on we had a game of word building. And so yeah, this is it, guys, for this week. So we'll see next week. Next week, hopefully, we're not exactly sure, but hopefully we might get an HR. I know I've been telling this from the past week, but things are not working out, to be honest. So with the HRs and all, so hopefully we might get an HR next week, and let's see. It in a more professional way, we can answer the questions which a real HR asks in live. And also video, I guess every video should be on the next class, and also get ready, presentable, like how you attend an interview, your body language and everything. Okay, that's it. So yeah, bye everyone, bye YouTube viewers. Let's see in the next session. Monday we'll be continuing with React.js, I guess, and also reviewing our React.js project. Yeah, that's it for today. Take care, everyone.
So bye
Yeah,
bye.
guys. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation. Happy weekend.
Good job, Gayatri and Smita.
Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
very